is Salman, and today's the short unboxing and the price video for the Kenwood Supreme KES1839S. It's 1.5 ton, 18,000 BTU, and it's a model of Kenwood inverter based, and I'm making this video to tell you the price. It's an offer price in this video, and as you can see it's installed. It's a new room actually. It's only this AC is installed. It's a DC inverter AC. The model is Kenwood from UK. Its price in 2022 February, the price of this one is 85,000. It's on a deal price with a big 2-ton floor standing Kenwood AC. We bought it together actually in a deal. They both together in 235,000, 2,35,000, yes, together. I mentioned the price for the both and for the separate ones as well, but this AC is cost us 85,000, where the Cooler series from Gree is costing us nearly 1,11,000. It's almost a saving of 26,000. The specifications is almost same, and we bought it in Lahore, Pakistan. This is it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.